The Mould King 126 Turbojet Engine model kit provides an engaging building experience with over 1,214 high-quality pieces. This model accurately recreates the intricate components of a turbojet engine, including the compressor, combustion chamber, and turbine, offering a realistic and educational assembly process. Once constructed, the engine model can actually run, thanks to its electric drive system powered by a L motor and battery box, showcasing impressive mechanical movement. The building blocks are crafted from durable ABS and carbon fiber materials, ensuring compatibility with other brand toys and a stable build that stays intact. This kit makes a perfect gift for teenagers, adults, and collectors, making it a valuable addition to any collection or a great choice for special occasions like birthdays or holidays. With colorful and detailed paper instructions, assembling the turbojet engine model becomes a straightforward task, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced builders.